Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and in the shop today we have a brand new 2021. This is the Imagine XLS 23 BHE. So BH, good clue there, it's a bunkhouse model. XLS series are designed for the towing weights of under 4,500 pounds. So that's a nice feature, SUVs, smaller trucks, that kind of thing. The XLS is a 5-side laminated constructed travel trailer. So they're not skimping here, you guys. They're really backing up this trailer with good bones. You've got large holding tanks, double insulation, so good suspension. Let's keep going. So here we go. We're going to start at the front. We've got the magnetic holdbacks on all the compartment doors. Love that. Unobstructed pass-through compartment. On the far side, there is a docking station. So make sure you scroll through the pictures and see how they give you the water hookups, battery disconnect, all that good stuff. We've got large scissor jacks on all corners, friction hinge, main door, long power awning, you guys. Like when you see a center support up here, this usually means it's 20 feet at least. So love that. There's built-in LED lights in there, and then the outside speakers. We've got the aluminum tread entry steps, nice and lightweight. Aluminum wheels, campside window. Love campside windows. This is where all the action's happening. This is where the kids are playing and getting into trouble. So you want to be able to keep an eye on things. Fill station here, gravity fill station for your water. We've got a cable hookup, 110 power outlet, and then at the back we've got our outside camp kitchen. So just a nice functional, this is under a bunk bed, so they kind of got to make it compact. And you've got a 2-burner cooktop here, cooking up your bacon and eggs in the morning. Love that. Mini fridge, plug in. There's a light back here too. And no, there's no sink, but they did give you a water port right here. So if you want to be able to fill up a wash basin or a bucket or win the water fight at the campground, you can do that. At the back of the trailer, we do get a ladder to get up on that roof for roof access, and there is backup camera prep if you want that installed. Let's check out the inside. So here we are inside the 23 BHE. Very open concept floor plan, lots of stuff to see. So we're going to get started right here at the door. This is your control panel, your DVD stereo, tank sensors, slide out motors, and then storage. And we really love this because a lot of trailers, you don't get a little storage compartment at the door, and these guys give you 2. So love that. We're just going to keep flowing. Nice big opening here to get in the master bedroom. There is a pocket door. Here, we're just going to let you see what that. So privacy, no privacy. Queen size bed. These guys never do the short beds. So you've got a full 60 by 80. This year for the 2021 models, I'm just noticing it, and that's awesome. Okay. They've notched out and done a really beautiful job here on the end tables. So if you want to put your glass of water and your glasses and charge your phone, you've got 12 volt and 110 chargers on both sides. Look at the drawers, you guys. They give you 2 drawers on each side. And then nice big cubby. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, and this is your slide. So beautiful L-shaped kitchen. Fold-up counter extension, the Furrion oven, double deep bowl sink. The cabinetry is beautiful. Storage, storage, storage. I love it. Big pots and pans drawer. This year they did the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Look at all that space there. Remember, you have that mini fridge outside too. And then a big pantry, again with more drawers. So love the drawers. And that is your whole slide. We're gonna swing you over here. This is your dining area. So for those mornings when you want to have your cup of coffee here at the table and a bowl of cereal, and there's that beautiful window right on your campsite. All the windows in here open and ventilate too, so you can catch that breeze whichever way you're coming. Air conditioning, furnace. I also want you to look down here. Notice my beautiful shoes first, and then notice there's no heat registers in the middle of the floor. That's something Grand Design is known for. They bring them up into an interior wall so they're not catching them crumbs. Okay, at the back of the trailer, we've got oversized bunk beds. Love that. Double thick teddy bear mattresses. Kids love these. They're nice and fuzzy. And 1, 2, 3 windows with the roller shades on all. So again, the kids will be able to catch that breeze. They've notched out under the bed, so if the kids have a tote or something, you want to be able to bring toys or gear. Okay, here we are into your bathroom. We do have a foot flush porcelain toilet, that beautiful shower. I encourage people to stand in the showers of all Grand Design products because it's reinforced the base. The retractable door, lots of counter space. There's even a window in here. So just nice, bright, and very roomy. So that was just a short little video tour, you guys, of the 23 BHE. This is the Imagine XLS. So be sure to come to Minard's Leisure World and check this out. And for a complete listing of all of our inventory, visit us at minardsleisureworld.com.